so much for tuning in today. I feel like I'm on a purple kick. This is like the umpteenth video that I've done with this head wrap and of course my purple robe. I'm also feeling like it's time for another head wrap haul because yeah, I'm ready for something new. I do also feel like I have been on a color kick lately and I am doing it once again. Before we get into this video, do hit that subscribe button before you go. Ring the bell, get all post notifications, but most importantly, drop your girl a comment down below, baby. Now, big thank you once again to Outre, and we are definitely about to get into them, baby. This is Amadio, baby. I'm ready.
Y'all already know what it is. We doing that 2-for-1 special again, baby. So Outre was kind enough to send me the honey brown color, and I did pick up the DRFF ginger cocoa brown, baby. So this is a typical cap construction. You do have 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back with adjustable straps, and of course that stretchy Outre cap.
Okay, we're done. Bam. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. I'm kidding y'all, of course. So let's go ahead and see what this parting space is giving. Okay. Yeah, she giving a little something. It's a little something. So I'm definitely gonna go in and get the plug-in on this baby. I'm gonna do the same for the honey brown color, and of course, thanks to the magic and the power of editing, bam.
Alright, y'all get the point. Not quite a bam yet, but we gonna get there. Anywho, as usual, I am styling the both units on the mannequin head, and let me tell you, I keep saying it, pick one up. If you have not done so, you need to do so ASAPidly, however you do it, because baby, game changer. Most common question is, how do you get your units to lay flat? Wax stick, hot comb, mannequin head, apply pressure. You see that? Before, after, before, after, before, after. So Outre was kind enough to give us a little bit of wiggle room in that parting space. So I will be curving the part just like I did with Safina, and same thing, wax stick, hot comb, mannequin head, pressure.
His body, baby. His body, baby. Oh, oh, na na. Bum 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 boy. Oh na na. Oh na na. Bum 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 boy. Oh na na. Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. So pass up on it, family, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up, me on surely. Baby, you know it's okay. Nah, nah. You're a pretty fine girl and I'm a pretty fine Winston. Nah,
I'm warming up to the blonde. I'm warming up.
Girl, I got a really good taste. Ha, she feeling my way. She whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha, she's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Bakachuku Makagini, oh so for me pay Ukweni Chichi. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way. Hey, baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the blow for a bad man. Baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the blow for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah. They want to ginger.
Now that honey brown, she was cute or whatever, okay? But this ginger cocoa brown, baby, yes, I'm in a choco. Definitely feeling this color way better. Now, just like I did with Safina, I did pop up to the side and did a nice subtle side part. I think the parting space looks really good on here, and surprisingly this unit lays flat. Thank you Outre. Round of applause. Take your bow. Hairline looks okay. Now you don't get the bells and whistles, sis, okay? This is a big head friendly unit. However, the ear tabs are not in place, okay? And that is because I do have a pop to the side. So one ear tab's behind my ear. I can't even tell you where the other one is, child. So I did have to go in swoopity swoop, add some subtle edges. This is part of the wig, part of me. And then this is me back here. And of course, this is me up here as well. Subtle leave out. Damn shame I don't have no baby hairs. It is what it is. She's still cute. Leave me be. Yeah, so I think looks really good. Now, surprisingly, I thought this unit was a little bit more Yaki than what it is, which I'm okay with. I just would have preferred more of a Yaki texture. I did go through and sprayed with my rave spray just to kind of spruce and get the curls to kind of stay into place. You can kind of comb them out, you know, and kind of get them to fall into place. Okay. She talked back a little bit. You know, so you can kind of, you know, just brush it into place, and, you know, so yeah. She's cute for the length. And speaking of length, Outre, let's have a talk. You know, I do appreciate the 18, the 22, the 24, and 30 inches. I need some 14 in my life, okay? Nice density, you know, it's not too thick, not too thin. However, summer months are approaching, and yeah, too much. But yeah, she's cute. She's cute, y'all. Yeah. So thank you so much to all of you for tuning in. If you're interested in checking out the information for Miss Amadio, I will have a direct link in the description box down below. Thank you so much for all that you ladies do and your support. Do hit that subscribe button before you go. Ring the bell, get all post notifications, and most importantly, drop your girl a comment. Where? Down below, boo. That's where. Take care of yourself, ladies. Keep yourself first. And as always, keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next one.
Hey.